How to verify your Binance account. Now in order to verify your Binance account, just simply open your Binance app and tap to this verify now option directly from the home page. And then this page will appear. Now from this page, you just simply need to select your residence, country or region. From here, just simply select your country, and after selecting the residence region, you will get to see a bunch of options in this page depending on where do you live. Just simply fill out those informations whichever this section asks after selecting the region. In my case, I have just these two boxes. Just simply check that and then continue. After doing this, you will need to provide the documentation for your ID verification. You have some options such as nationality card, driving license, and passport. Just simply select the option which is suitable for you and then tap to continue. Now, from this section, you just simply need to take the picture of those documents and send it to Binance, and then after submitting the verification request, they will verify your account and ID, and after that your Binance account will be verified. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.